Hi, hello all. Trigonometry. The name itself creates a tension, a stress. But no, trigonometry is supposed to be one of the easiest topic in geometry where you can score out of 100 on 100. What I mean is a 40 marks paper gives you nearly 12 marks for trigonometry which you can score 12 on 12. Your passing marks are 14 out of 40. So 12 itself takes you at the passing level. So what is trigonometry? What's the importance of trigonometry? You study trigonometry in 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, of course if you go for science faculty. Beyond that, if you go for engineering, you go for architecture and other such faculties, you have trigonometry not as a topic but it goes as a subject. Importance of trigonometry, and the basic lies in 9th and 10th class. Once you are done with those basics, fine, trigonometry is supposed to be one of the easiest topics. Let us see what is trigonometry all about. As I said, a topic, if understood, the easiest of the one. So let us go with the basic concept of trigonometry. Remember, trigonometry is always related to a right angled triangle. As you can see over here, ABC is a triangle where angle B is 90. You have other angle A which is written as theta, and say C angle, maybe I'll write as alpha. Remember children, theta and alpha are geometrical terms or mathematical terms. These can be supposed to be any two values, like theta can be 30, theta can be 50, theta can be 60. One thing, angle A plus angle B plus angle C, think for a second, what is the total of three angles of a triangle? Yeah, 180. Out of that, angle B is 90. So remaining two will be 180 minus 90, that will be 90. Which clearly means B angle, if we take out 90, remaining two, A plus C is going to be 90. Because total has to be 180. Out of which, if I take A angle as 50, C angle will be 90 minus 50, that's 40. Am I right? If I take C angle as 30, A angle will be 90 minus 30, that is equal to 60. Done? Second thing, angle B is 90. So angle B will have nothing to do with trigonometry. Remember, first angle is A, second angle is B, third angle is C. Out of which angle B is 90, trigonometry, no context. So remaining what? Angle A and angle C. Now, if I take angle A, as this is a triangle, you have three sides. Opposite 90 will always be hypotenuse. Angle A opposite will be termed as opposite side, and AB will be termed as adjacent side. म्हणजे लक्षात घ्या, if I take angle A, समोरची बाजू opposite side is BC. Angle A adjacent side म्हणजे शेजारची बाजू will be AB. And in any figure, side opposite to 90 degree will be termed as hypotenuse. Am I clear? Next thing, suppose if I take angle C, think for a second, which will be the hypotenuse? Opposite 90, AC will be the hypotenuse. म्हणजे लक्षात ठेवा, angle A, angle C, whichever angle you take, hypotenuse is going to be side opposite to 90, that is AC. Now if I take angle C, opposite side will be AB. Opposite म्हणजे त्या अँगलच्या समोर, that is opposite. आणि angle C adjacent side शेजारी will be BC. angle A, BC is the opposite side, AB is the adjacent side. If you take angle C, AB is the opposite side and BC is the adjacent side. Triangle is there, so we will have only three sides: hypotenuse, opposite side and adjacent side. Am I clear? Right. So let us go to first part of trigonometry, basic ratios. For that you will have to remember these pairs, that is these 6 terms in trigonometry. Remember all of you, complete trigonometry will be based on, remember, sine, cosec, cos, sec, tan, cot. I repeat, sine, cosec, first pair. Second pair, cos, sec. Third pair, tan, cot. I'll give you a couple of seconds. Just try to remember this. It's very important. Sine, cosec, cos, sec, tan and cot. And how many sides do we have? Hypotenuse is the first side, second will be opposite side and third will be adjacent side. So how do we go with the ratios? First I go with sine theta, second is cos theta and third is tan theta. We have three sides, we have three ratios. So remember, out of this every side will come 2 times. Kasa bada? Sin theta is always opposite upon hypotenuse. So theta la opposite side कुठली आहे? BC, and which is the hypotenuse? AC. If I take cos theta, it goes with adjacent upon hypotenuse. Adjacent side, theta if I take, which is the adjacent side, it's AB. Upon hypotenuse will never change, it will be AC. And if I go with tan theta, see, as I said, hypotenuse is over 2 times. Opposite and adjacent is only 1 time. So tan will be opposite upon adjacent, that will be BC upon AB. I repeat, sin theta opposite upon hypotenuse, BC upon AC. Cos is adjacent upon hypotenuse, AB upon AC. Remember, AC is over twice, so it will not be repeated. Tan will be opposite upon adjacent, that is BC upon AB. Check out 3 sides, each is twice. BC is twice, AC is twice, AB is twice. So those are the correct answers. This was this part. Now we go with this part. Pair of sine कोण आहे? cosec theta. Pair of cos, sec theta, and pair of tan is cot theta. Remember, sine and cosec will be inverse of each other. Cos and sec will be inverse of each other. And tan and cot will be inverse of each other. म्हणजेच sin theta is what? BC upon AC. So cos theta will be AC upon BC. See, reciprocal, inverse. Cos is AB upon AC. So sec will be AC upon AB. Tan is BC upon AB. So this answer will be AB upon BC. Remember, dear children, if you know these answers, these are only the reciprocals of it. So suppose this answer comes 3 upon 4. What will be this? Right, 4 upon 3. If this answer is 3 upon 5, what will be this answer? 5 upon 3. So you just try to find out these answers, make a reciprocal of it, you get these answers. So these are going to be basic ratios of trigonometry. Likewise, basic ratios, we have identity ratios, we have complementary ratios, and we have additional ratios. In all, we have 53 to remember, out of which we did only 6. No issue, it's an easy job if you remember the sequence.